好，我们下面看一下这一道题。OK，statistical software，这个是多音节词，对吧？statistical 不是非常好发这个音。The development of easy-to-use statistical software has changed the way statistics is being taught and learned. Students can make transformations of variables, create graphs of distribution of variables, and select among statistical analysis all at the click of a button. However, even with these advancements, students sometimes still find statistics to be an arduous task. 好，我们分成几个部分来看一下。第一部分 The development，OK，这个单词经常会考到，经常会出现，大家会说什么 development，OK，这是我听的最多的，一定注意这个 p 呢，做出口型，不要发这个音，同学们。development，the development of easy-to-use statistical software has changed，OK，这里呢，我们要想停的话，在哪里停呢？其实有个同学，我记着这道题有个同学问过我，OK。他说：“老师在 has 前面是否可以听？我们来试一试。The development of easy-to-use statistical software has changed the way statistics is being taught and learned。”完全没有问题 ，OK。在 has 前面是可以停那个 tiny pause。Alright，我们看下这里 ，changed，OK，changed。这个 d 呢，我们一定要注意 changed the way，这里有个 the， 对不对？这个 d 呢，其实我用个拖音来表明这它的一个时态。Has changed the way statistics is being taught and learned。这个 t 呢，弱化它 ，OK， 不要用 taught and learned 是错的。taught 这个 t 呢非常弱，一点点音 and learn，OK， 这个 d 吞掉，这个 d 呢我们不能吞掉 and learn。第二部分 ，students can make transformations of variables。这个单词不要念成了 variables，OK，variables。Create graphs of distributions of variables and select among OK 不是 among 是 among select among statistical analysis OK analysis 看好了 all at the click 这里呢 all at the click 这个 t at 做出口型 at the click of a button 这个 k 呢你可以发出来一点点 click of a button， 不要读成了 click of a button 就错了 ，OK？click of a 这块要注意连读 ，click of a button 比较 native 人会读成 button，OK？button， 我们来读一下 ，students can make transformations of variables, create graphs of distribution of variables, and select among statistical analysis. Tiny pause, all at the click of a button. OK， 在 all 的前面呢，我们可以有个 tiny pause， 非常的短。However， 重读转折，对不对 ？However, even with these， 这个两个连读，不要读成 even with these 就错了。OK，even with these 两连读。Advancements, students sometimes still find statistics to be an arduous task. Arduous 什么意思呢？费力的、艰巨的任务，对不对？费力的任务。However, even with these advancements, students sometimes still find statistics to be an arduous task. 这里我们不需要有任何的停顿，对不对？这个逗号，这个逗号，结束。OK， 我们连起来读一下吧。这篇文章呢，其实难度也不大。The development of easy-to-use statistical software has changed the way statistics is being taught and learned. Students can make transformations of variables, create graphs of distributions of variables, and select among statistical analysis, all at the click of a button. However, even with these advancements, students sometimes still find statistics to be an arduous task. All right, thank you guys.